Hello and welcome to Intro to Distance Learning for 2014. This is a short video about the philosophy of distance learning that we teach here at Hofstra. It's going to be 3 quick slides, and if you take nothing else away from this course, I hope you take these 3 points to heart, because I think these are the 3 most important things to focus on when teaching a distance learning course. The first thing to think about is that you want to create bite-sized content. That doesn't mean that you have to shorten the content that you have. It just means that you'd like to chunk it into smaller bite-sized pieces that can then build up to larger concepts and issues in your course. You don't want to create long videos. As you'll see throughout this course, most of our videos are under 5 minutes, and we try to keep them even shorter than that so people can digest them and then move on to the next piece. The next thing to think about is that you want to be responsive. We talk a lot about having a social presence in the course, and that basically means that you want to set explicit ground rules as to how often you're going to communicate with the students, how quickly they can expect a response, but more importantly, they want to feel like you are in the course with them. So even if you're not technically live in the course at all times, you want to be responsive enough to give the appearance that you're always there. And the last thing you want to think about is to avoid dead-end content. And by that I mean whether you create videos or post articles, you don't want anything to just sit there when the student is done engaging with that content. You want them to have some kind of a call to action, whether that be thinking about a specific point in the article or the video that they can respond to on a discussion board or on the voice thread, which we'll get to in week 2. You want there to be some kind of a call to action at the end of your content. So in the spirit of avoiding dead-end content in this course, after you're done watching this video, please click Mark Reviewed underneath the video. It'll open up the next section where we drill down a little deeper into each one of these points. There's a discussion board where we're going to discuss each one of them, so whatever opinions you have about how this fits into your framework, please keep that in mind and share with the rest of the class what you think. Just to review, the basic format for an online course, the fundamental pieces are to create bite-sized content that doesn't have a dead end at the end of it, that has some call to action, and you want to try and be as responsive as possible. And hopefully we can model that throughout the next 3 weeks, and we'll have a great course together. Look forward to working with you.